Hi, welcome to our channel. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please click subscribe and press bell icon. 6 essential tips to consider before buying a car. Tip number 1. Determine your needs, wants and lifestyle. Make a list of needs like seating and storage capacity, performance requirements, fuel mileage, safety features, comfort and convenience, etc. Once you determine the type of vehicle based on your needs, it's time to determine how much money you have to spend. Tip number 2. Determine your monthly vehicle budget. This budget includes an EMI for the car and maintenance cost. Investing too much amount on car can create burden while paying the loans. So the selection of the car has to suit your monthly budget to lead a happy life. Tip number 3. Perform an online competitive comparison. It's a good idea to compare 2 or more cars of different brands before taking final decision. You can make comparison by performance, safety, comfort and cost aspects. Tip number 4. Research the dealership. Have a research about the dealership where we have to buy. Some cars will be available at specific locations, so visit dealership website and get a clear details. Tip number 5. Ask for a test drive. Don't buy the car just by its name. Have a hands-on experience by taking the car for a test drive. While test drive, you can able to learn the pros and cons about the car. Tip number 6. Negotiate the price. In some of the dealers, while negotiation of price, you may get some discount. So don't forget to negotiate the price and pay only the best price. I hope you have learned many things from this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.